Hello everyone, welcome to the video lecture series of operating system. In today's session, we are continuing with the topic Unix or Linux operating system. Myself Krunal Panchal, your instructor. In this particular session, we are going to discuss interactive shell scripting. In previous session, we have already discussed non-interactive shell scripting. Now in this case, we are going to discuss interactive shell scripting. What it means? It means while running the script is required to have input from the user or say from the keyboard. So that type of script program or scripting is called interactive shell scripting. Okay, so let us discuss this interactive shell scripting with the help of the examples. Okay. So as you know very well, in this type of shell scripting, we require the input from the user. So you can recall in C programming, if you want to take input from the user at runtime, so we have to use scanf function. Yes, so same type of functionality is provided by the read. You can see in this case read command. It provides same type of functionality just like a scanf in C. Okay, so printf operation we can perform with the help of echo, and scanf operation we can perform with the help of read in the case of shell scripting. Okay, so I have written in this case read space A. So when you write like this, read space A means what? It will ask, once you press enter after writing read space A, it will ask the input from the user. Means it requires the input from the user. So once I submitted 3, okay, so it will be displayed accordingly. Then read space B. Again, in this case, I have written string instead of integer value. Then I have written echo space $A. Dollar is nothing but address of A. So what is the value of A? So that we can find fetch. Okay, because already we have submitted 3 value in A. So echo space address of A means what? Echo space $A. So dollar is nothing but address of A. Okay, so if you fire such type of command, it will give you the value which you have inserted in A. So now it is displaying the value 3. Fine. Same way, echo space $B means again address of B. What is the value stored in B? One string is stored to null, so that will be displayed over here. Okay, so in this way we can use this read command. So let us discuss one example or a program of shell script which is categorized into interactive category. Okay, so first of all, we need to create one file. So for that we need to use vi editor, vi space read1.sh. Why I have used read1? Because read is nothing but reserved keyword, and you know very well reserved keyword we cannot use as a file name, just like in a C programming language. Fine. So that's why I have used read1 instead of read. So read, if you write read, it will not allow to create that file. So vi space read1.sh. sh is nothing but standard shell extension of this particular file. Okay. Now once you open that file, then I have written this set of code by inserting into a insert mode by pressing I on the keyboard. Once you press I on the keyboard, now you can insert this statements as per your requirement. And once you insert it successfully, then you need to use escape colon WQ to save the current content and exit from the insert mode. That is the interpretation of escape colon WQ. Fine, that things you will keep in your mind. Okay, in this particular shell script, I have written the first line is, you can see, started with has, so definitely it will be considered as comment. So reading your name. Second sentence is what? That means first statement will not be displayed because it is comment. Okay, then second is echo. I have used echo command. Echo -n. -n is nothing but new line, we can say. It will ask that input in the new line. So -n I have used. Okay, and I have mentioned enter your name in the double quotation. Okay, so this statement I have used. Now I am reading that values. So read space name. Okay, and finally I have written this statement echo space you entered Mr. or Miss address of name, because I have used that variable called name. So address of name, $name is what? Address of name. So if you execute this program, so definitely it will ask the input from the user. So if you want to execute this program, again you need to use interpreter called sh space read2.sh. Okay, and enter your name. It will ask enter your name. Suppose I say Krunal. Okay, so it will display you entered the name Krunal. Fine. So it means what? It is asking with the help of read name statement. It is asking the input from at the runtime. So I have supplied this input Krunal, and it is displayed on the next line. You entered this particular string. Fine. So this small program of interactive shell script. One more program we are going to discuss. So let us create one more script file, vi read3.sh. And in this particular file, what I am trying to do in this case, again I entered into a insert mode, then echo space -n. Again I have used the same syntax. In this case I am going to use two number, enter any number, read num1, and enter any number, read num2. So I'm going to enter two numbers. Okay, and the last statement is what? Echo entered numbers are address of num1 space address of num2. It means what? Whatever the input you supply, that will be displayed on the output. So again, save and exit with the help of escape on WQ, and once you execute this program, and it will ask the input at runtime. So I have supplied first number as 4 and second number is as 5th. So the entered numbers are 4 and 5. It will display like this. So again, it is a small program of we can say interactive shell script. One more program we have. In this case, suppose instead of integer value, suppose I have mentioned string. So it will display, suppose first string is Krunal and second string is Panchal. So it will display like this, Krunal Panchal. Okay, at the output. Fine. So you can give any integer values or this string as an input. It will be considered. Fine. So that, as I told you, these weekly type programming languages. There is no strict rules and regulation in this type of scripting language. Okay, so one more program I need to understand. The last program of interactive category is nothing but echo -n enter any number, read a. These statements are same. Just echo -n enter any number. So I have I want to insert two number at runtime. Then I have displayed. I have used 4 statements. First is echo sum of two numbers. Then means what? Whatever the number I have inserted, two numbers I have inserted, that two numbers need to do the summation operation or addition operation I need to perform. Then difference or subtraction operation I need to perform. Then multiplication operation I need to perform, and division operation I need to perform. Means what? The two number I have supplied at the time of input, at the time of execution, that two numbers values needs to be subtract with each other, needs to be sum with each other, needs to be multiply with each other, and needs to be divide with each other. So that type of operation I need to perform, but carefully you need to understand the syntax in this case. So you can see the sum of two numbers. In that case, I have written definitely address dollar sign I have used dollar, but I have used two parentheses, and within that two parentheses I have mentioned again dollar of A plus dollar of B, that is enclosed with a single parenthesis, and that single parenthesis is enclosed with another parenthesis, and then at the outer most side I have written these dollar symbol. Same phenomenon I have used in the case of subtraction, multiplication, and division. So I have used because operator, because we can say these operands are operated with the help of operators. Okay, so these plus, minus, multiplication, divisions are nothing but the operators. So this syntax you have to use if you want to do addition, summation, subtraction, we can say multiplication, division, whatever the operation you need to perform, the syntax will look like this. Okay, and again you need to save this program and exit from the insert mode. So escape colon WQ into brace, and once you execute with the help of SH interpreter, so it will ask two inputs at runtime. So I have supplied 4, then second input is 2. So the sum of two numbers is 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Difference of two number is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Multiplication of two number is 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, and division of two numbers 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So in this way you can write the interactive shell script programs. So I hope it was clear to you. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.